Hi class, this is Professor Teixeira. In this video, I'm going to talk about an overview of how do we go from production planning until production execution and the finished goods going to inventory, okay? So first one is we have to go from production, the plan, to the orders. We need orders, plan orders. We have to have orders on what we're going to do. Someone has to sign those orders. Someone has to be responsible for those orders. That's how we start production in batches of certain amount of products, a lot of products based on an order that was planned, that comes from our production planning. Then these orders are converted into production orders. Again, there is difference between a plan order, something that we plan to do, and then managers sign and convert this in now is an order to produce. Okay, that's the difference between plan order and production order. One is what we're planning, and then we turn that into an order to execute. And then these production orders are like distributed to the work centers. Each manufacturing plant is organized in work centers, a center where employees work on specific tasks. I hope you saw the video about the manufacturing plant in Mexico. They are producing shoes. You can see in that video the different work centers. And then after doing everything, the finished goods, the products finalized, produced, they go to inventory. Okay. Another view is this, and comes from our, that's a figure we have in our class notes. We have the plan orders that are turned into production orders to execute the production. And then raw material, RM, raw material is issued from the inventory of raw material, the inventory of parts for production execution. So then carts take the parts to the manufacturing plant, to each work center, and the execution begins. And then after the parts being processed, the products are completed, then we have the production confirmation is done. This lot of products is produced. We have 1,000 shoes here. And then a receipt of FG, finished goods, is issued. So here's the receipt. 1,000 products is in our inventory. 1,000 products is added to our inventory. And then the cost of all this process, the raw material, the work center, hours of people working, electric energy, everything is settled. So accounting can include that in the cost for production. I'm going to stop here. This was just an overview. In the next video, I'm going to talk specifically about each one of these steps.